This is our Earth, the only place humanity calls home. If we look closely, just a bit closer, beyond the vast emerald expanses, a miraculous engineering feat stands prominently before our eyes. Welcome to the China-Laos Railway. From Kunming in southwest China's Yunnan province to the Laotian capital of Vientiane, it links cities such as Kunming, Yuxi, Huar, and Xishuangbanna in China with Long, Prangbang, Vang Vieng, and Vientiane in Laos, much like stringing together scattered pearls. Why has the China-Laos Railway impressed the world? Because its monumental scale, challenging construction, and engineering risks are unparalleled. The Anding Tunnel segment alone boasts 8 world records. The bridges connect the roads while the tunnels bring hearts closer together. Over these 10 years, more than 150 countries and over 30 international organizations have signed Belt and Road cooperation documents. This interconnectivity, both domestically and internationally, epitomizes mutual growth and is sculpting a new global paradigm. At this point, the saying that geography determines destiny is gradually fading.
今年是我提出共建“一带一路”倡议10周年，10年栉风沐雨，10年春华秋实。我们深刻地认识到，只要各国有合作的愿望，协调的行动，天堑可以变通途，路锁国可以变成路连国，发展的洼地可以变成繁荣的高地。
My father worked hard all his life, but real change in his life only happened in the last few years. Before the construction of the extension of Southern Expressway, the road often got flooded, causing significant difficulties for the travelers. The project was completed in February 2020 and was the local people. It was a significant and joyful event.
According to the Chinese staff, the project of the extension of Southern Expressway in Sri Lanka is important for the 21st century maritime Silk Road. This 96-kilometer stretch is Sri Lanka's first E-Class expressway and stands as the longest to date. Its completion has profoundly impacted the lives of many. The extension of Southern Expressway project eased traffic and promoted economic development in the west and south of Sri Lanka. In Kenya, the Mombasa-Nairobi Railway has boosted local economic growth by more than 2 percentage points. Over the past decade, 74,000 China-Europe freight train trips have been made, carrying 7 million containers, with a total estimated goods value exceeding $300 billion. Obviously, the Belt and Road construction is not an empty slogan, but an initiative with tangible outcomes.
Primero, yo quiero rescatar este espíritu y este modelo de cooperación que plantea China. Cuando el presidente Xi Jinping habla de comunidad de destino compartido de la humanidad, no puede ser más preciso. Es una comunidad, mismo planeta, y que tenemos que trabajar coordinados, porque si no, no hay manera de que nos salvamos de forma aislada. Este espíritu de la comunidad de destino compartido de la humanidad, que después se plasma en propuestas concretas, como la cooperación de la Franja de la Ruta, que lo que hace es básicamente mejorar o proponer inversiones en infraestructura y mejorar la logística y mejorar a través de eso el comercio mundial. Después se complementan con otras iniciativas muy importantes del presidente Xi Jinping, como ser la iniciativa de desarrollo global.
From laying foundational bricks to nurturing robust growth, the Belt and Road Initiative has emerged as a beacon of open, inclusive, and mutually beneficial global collaboration. Within this cooperative framework, nations are uniting to confront global economic challenges, continuously steering toward a harmonized future for all.